The following program is an example of using comments. It tells you to enter 4 pieces of information and it uses that information to create a sentence. What you see on the screen is the top portion of the code. This is a multi-line comment enclosed between /* and */. It doesn't affect the program's execution, it's meant for documentation. It gives the program a title and credits the author. This line contains the include directive. It includes the standard input-output library. It allows the program to use functions like printf and scanf. This line is required for scanf. It defines a macro named _countoff. It calculates the number of elements in an array by dividing the total size of the array by the size of one element. This is the entry point to the program. Execution starts here. Variable declarations. These are character arrays to store user input. Each can hold up to 19 characters plus the null terminator. This is a comment block, which is a single-line comment explaining the purpose of the next block of code. User prompts and inputs. Printf displays a prompt. Scanf reads a string input safely. %19s limits input to 19 characters. The adjective is the destination. _count of adjective ensures buffer size is respected. This pattern repeats for 4 variables in total. Everything after the // comments is ignored. They're used to explain code, add notes, or temporarily disable code. Unlike /*/ comments, which can span multiple lines, // comments only affect the line they're on. In the final section of the program, we see another comment block indicating the next section prints the final results. These results are the output statements. The 2 new line characters before the sentence creates a visual break between the input section and the output, improving readability. %s placeholders are replaced by adjective and pet. The next printf uses the other 2 variables chore and furniture. The return statement indicates successful program termination. Here is a look at the program in action. Harry was enter for the adjective, cat was enter for the pet, vacuumed was entered for the chore, and couch was entered for the furniture. As explained earlier, 2 new line characters create separation between the prompts and the output.